Okay, affiliate marketers, if you're just getting started or have been struggling to get the results you want, then this video is going to help make a massive difference to your results and success online. I've been doing a 12-step to success online series, and in this training, I'm going to give you the final step in the foundation phase, and it's a biggie. It's the thing that's going to make a big difference to the amount of money you bank. So stick with me to the end. Hey, Andrew Woodward here, and on this channel we focus on the best online marketing strategies that grow your wealth, build a long-term business, and allow you to work from anywhere using nothing more than your laptop and a Wi-Fi connection. Now, if you've missed any of the 3 previous steps, make sure you go back and watch them after you've watched this one. Of course, I've left a link up there, and make sure you subscribe and click the little bell to get notified when I release a new video, including the next steps in the 12-step process. In this video, I'm going to share the 4th step of my 12 steps to online success and the final foundation step that will have you making money, which is the key, right? So the 4th step to online success is your offer. Your offer is the key to your business. It's the mechanism by which you're going to grow your income. And I'm going to share with you the one thing that will make all the difference to your business when it comes to your offer. Let's start with the types of offers you should have. Your initial offer should be something of value, that be really valued by your prospects. And the trick with your initial offer is that it should be free. You're going to give this initial offer away for free. However, it's going to be so good, provide so much value, that your prospects would willingly pay for it, but they won't have to. What this does is create momentum. When you give something away that is of such value, people will talk about it, mention you in your social pages or groups, and your initial offer will gain momentum. And the more momentum your offer gains, the more people you will attract into your world. My suggestion for your initial offer is to create a short course that solves a pain point that your audience is having. And if you can give them a solution to a problem they're having right up front, they're going to see you as an authority, the expert that has the answers to their questions, and they're going to want more from you. And that leads us to the second part of your offer. The second part of your offer is called an Ascension Offer. Now, an Ascension Offer is the next level of teaching and can be a longer course or a membership, and is normally sold via a masterclass or webinar. And in the masterclass, which is also free, you give them the what. That is, what they need to do to move to the next level of income for their business. And the Ascension Offer is then the how. You package the how into a course or membership and teach your lead how to do what they need to grow their business. It could be organic Facebook marketing or Facebook ads or course creation, anything that your lead needs to grow their business, and you have the answer for. The final part of your offer is your core offer. Now, there are many reasons for a core offer. However, the main 2 that I've learned over the years are that a large number of people who buy courses online don't finish them or move into the implementation phase. And the second is most people want someone to guide them to success. So the core offer is some form of coaching, which can be either group or one-on-one. In your coaching offer, you're going to teach people the skills they need to be efficient in growing their business or doing the thing that you are the expert on. Now, when you put the 3 parts of your offer together, you have what's called your product ladder. This is the secret sauce to your income growth. This is how you move people through your business, each at a higher price point. And the good thing is that you can have multiple Ascension and core offers. As you grow your income and you grow your audience, they're going to want more from you. So you'll need to create more and more offers over time, which is great for income growth and building options into your business. This way, you're not reliant on one type of offer to succeed. So the only thing you need to do now is start thinking about what your offer ladder is going to be and what offers you're going to be including in each section of the ladder. And remember, you want your initial offer to be so good, people will willingly pay for it. Okay, I hope today's video was helpful for you and gave you some ideas on what to include in your offer and how to create your offer ladder for more income opportunities in your business. Now, if you're looking to get started in affiliate marketing and you want some personal support to get set up for success, to nail these 12 steps and be on your way to the online income that you want, then join my Inner Circle program where you can get one-on-one support over 6 weeks, a whole bunch of resources and tools that are proven to work and be earning an online income within 30 days. Click the link in the description to schedule a free call with me and we can work on a plan to get you moving toward your goals quickly and effectively. Thanks for watching today's training, and don't forget to schedule a time with me. Click the link in the description and let's have a chat. And to continue to get these free training videos, make sure you click on the subscribe button and the little bell to get notified when a new training is released. It's the simplest way to ensure that you don't miss any of the good stuff and you get access to everything that I'm doing or using to grow my business so you can grow yours. And do me a favour, click the like button and leave me a comment below. Let me know what you thought of this training. I'll read all the comments and reply to each one. And don't forget to get access to the free affiliate marketing training that I recommend. Click the links in the description and let's get you building your business from today. And if you want to get on a discovery call with me, you can click the link in the description to book a time in my calendar and we can have a chat to get you building your business.